Hello everyone. Welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. Cassava Sciences stock rose 2.52% on Tuesday. The stock rose as much as 22% intraday on Tuesday, but then pulled back sharply, but still retained some gains at the close. The stock traded on Tuesday with the highest volume in September and October, but most of the trading on that day occurred above the closing price, which shows that a lot of money flowed into the stock to try to push the stock price up, but then a lot of money flowed out of the stock. Although such price action is somewhat disappointing, it does not mean that the bulls have lost the opportunity to rebound. The data shows that the stock had a net capital outflow of $4 million on October 7th, and the net capital outflow of $7.95 million on October 8th, which is consistent with the stock price performance on that day, but I think this may be a reverse data. If the long funds of the stock had exited the market in the last 2 trading days of September, the stock should have continued the decline of the previous trading day on October 8th, but the reality is that the stock rebounded again, but the gains on that day were smaller. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock opened sharply lower on September 27th, then rebounded strongly but fell again after being blocked, and then rebounded again at the end of the trading day, indicating that the market does not want the stock price to fall further, and the trading volume on that day was large. The stock continued the rebound trend of the previous trading day in the morning trading on September 30th, but then the stock price retreated sharply again, and continued its downward trend the next day. The stock price fell deeply again during the trading session on October 7th, but then the stock price rebounded at $25.1, and the trading volume on that day was higher than the previous 3 trading days, indicating that long funds intervened in the stock on that day. However, the stock experienced a roller coaster market on October 8th, but the optimistic thing is that the closing price on that day was still higher than the closing price of the previous trading day, so the stock still has room for maneuver. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. The stock has created the lowest closing price from August to September in the last 2 trading days, but the signal that the bulls maintain the stock price is also very obvious. The stock's roller coaster price action on October 8th seems to be caused by a large amount of selling from previously locked-in funds, but this also means that there may be a lot of long capital that took over these chips on that day, so I think the bulls may make a comeback. As for the target price, I think the stock may re-challenge the $31.50 level. The $28.50 level is a key watershed because the price is in the middle of the price fluctuation range of the stock in the past 2 months. So if the stock price can stand at this level next, then the stock is expected to break out of the consolidation range of the past 2 months. Okay, guys, this is my price prediction for Cassava Sciences stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.